G'day guys, and we are back with the 1996 Nissan GQ Patrol, and as you can see, the interior on this thing is pretty well stripped. So, as you can see, there is pretty much nothing left in here, apart from the steering column, wiring loom, and a few other little bits. Sound deadening's all stripped out, everything's pretty much gone. Of course, there is a few things I need to do before I get into tackling that. I need to properly clean it out in there, wash the floor, all that kind of thing, get all that dust and whatever from last time when we painted this and did the body work on it. I need to take off this door and fix up all this rust in here and redo all the seams there, just like I've done over this side. So I need to get that done on that side. There's a few little seams inside here that I need to fix up, like that one there needs to be done with Penetrol and seam sealed. Yeah, just generally needs a clean in here. Then everything can start going in and buttoning this thing up. Hopefully comes out looking pretty good. I've got pretty high hopes for this thing. It's not going to be perfect at all in here for now, but it will be a lot better than this bare bones what it is. I do also have to put all the things back in these holes, seal all them up properly how they need to be, and put all the rubber bits back in here. Again, all the wiring loom will have to be connected to the dash, all that kind of thing. But that is that pretty much, so let's get into it. Okay, so I'm basically done with this interior for now. There's a little bit more stuff to do, like these vents here, radio, a few little bits and bobs to tidy up. I've of course got to vacuum these seats off and properly clean these because they are properly filthy. I'm gonna do about something about that hole over there on that seat. There's a few little bits to put on here and tidy up, but otherwise it's pretty much done. Big thing I got to do now is the headliner, so that's going in now. Hopefully I've got some adhesive for all of that and some clips to get it up with. Oops. I've got the new headliner here. It's brand new, black. Some people don't like black interiors, but I do. So let's get that up in there now.